So today we're working with the ZCAM E2 M4 with the Sirui Anamorphic lenses. We have the 24 and the 50 millimeter, and we're doing some test footage to try out some of the lenses, some of the codec options, and we're working with just one simple light panel and a reflector and one simple practical light. So let's get into this. Nice, you finally came. Yeah, it took a while, but I'm here. So, how's it going? You know, I made it through. Yeah, I hear you, man. Totally hear you. So, why'd you want to see me? It's complicated. Our viewers just aren't watching our videos, and I wanted to ask you if you had any ideas why. It's because your content isn't as entertaining as it could be. Yep. Okay, but you know, I find them entertaining. Do you even watch your own videos? I do edit them. True. Yeah, I guess you do. Well, I mean, so what can I do to make them better? Besides the tiger attack video I keep trying to get you to film. This again, man, come on. Well, you ever think of adding drone footage? As a matter of fact, I have thought about adding some drone footage, but you know, I'd have to get a commercial drone pilot's license. Yeah, so? Well, that's a lot of work. Yeah, so? I just don't know if I have the time for that, you know, honestly. I mean, if you don't start looking into it now, never going to get any further, and you're not going to benefit from it. I mean, you think that that will make my channel better? Well, no, but it sure would be fun to add in some drone footage to the videos. I mean, come on. All right, well, then, yeah, let's go do this. All right.